The avocados are at the airport. There's something in Penny's suitcase. It's her pet turtle.
It's forbidden.
Please! Officer, what can be done?
You can leave your pet at the pet hotel.
Your pet will be much happier here. There's something in Pit's suitcase. You can't bring that on the plane, Pit.
Magnets are prohibited.
That's much better. What's in Daddy's suitcase? Fireworks? Oh, Daddy.
Fireworks are not allowed on the plane.
Sorry.
Let's put them somewhere safe.
Watch and learn.
What's in Mommy's suitcase?
It's forbidden.
You can eat that now. Have fun, Officer Pumpkin.
Yay!
Here comes the luggage. Officer Pumpkin makes sure it's all safe. What did he see? Oh no, it's Pit.
Pit, you can get on luggage belt.
They can be dangerous.
I'm sorry.
Stop, wait!
Now where's Pit going? He loves watching the planes take off.
Don't run away from us. It's easy to get lost here.
Airports can be very crowded. See? Pit lost Daddy. That's not Daddy. Now let's weigh the luggage. Yay! It's the perfect weight. Now let's weigh Pit's suitcase. It's too heavy. He packed too many toys.
Pit, you've taken too much stuff.
Pit thinks the plane can carry all his toys. If the plane is too heavy, it can't fly. Be careful, kids. Where are Mommy and Daddy?
Oh no! They left without us!
Maybe Officer Pumpkin can help.
Kids, don't cry. I'll take it to your parents.
See how worried Mommy and Daddy are?
Pete, Penny.
They're looking everywhere for Pit and Penny.
Dad!
Pit and Penny are safe. Thank you, Officer Pumpkin. Remember, kids, don't talk to strangers at the airport.
If lost, ask a police officer or flight attendant for help.
Hurry! The plane leaves soon!
No! Wait!
It's okay, Daddy. There's another line. Pit doesn't want to wait in line.
It's important to stay in line.
You need to wait your turn, Pit. Now the flight attendant can help you. Have a fun trip! It's time for a plane ride! What's wrong, Cherry?
I'm afraid of flying.
Pit, can you help Cherry?
I will help you. It's not scary.
Well, Cherry? Pit and Cherry can sit here. First, you must always fasten your seatbelt. But Cherry doesn't want to. Without your seatbelt, you might hurt yourself. That doesn't look quite right. There! That's better! Yay! The plane is taking off! Cherry, you shouldn't close the blinds. Pit will fix it.
Window blinds need to be open during takeoff and landing. Am I right, Mommy?
You are right, honey.
Uh-oh. Cherry is very hungry.
Don't worry. Everything you need is here. Am I right?
Yes, you are, Pit. The flight attendant has lots of food to choose from. Cherry, you must stay in your seat.
If you need something, just ask.
Let's see what they have.
What would you like to eat?
She would like a sandwich, please. Now what's wrong? Cherry needs the restroom. There's one at the back of the plane. The door is locked. What does the red light mean, Pit?
If this sign is red, the toilet is occupied. Am I right?
Of course.
You just have to wait your turn. Now Cherry can use the restroom. flight is about to get bumpy. Cherry, what's wrong?
I'm scared! Don't be afraid, honey. It's just turbulence.
Music will make you feel better. See, Cherry? There was nothing to worry about.
I won't be afraid of flying anymore. Thank you.
Have fun, kids! Pit dropped his teddy bear. And now he can't reach it. No, Pit. Don't leave your seat.
Dad! Dad! Pete hasn't fastened his seatbelt.
Pit, fasten your seatbelt, please.
Seatbelts keep you safe. Pit, that isn't a good idea. Officer Pumpkin isn't very happy.
What is it?
Pit wasn't wearing a seatbelt.
Pit, are you hurt? I'm not, but my bear is.
Daddy has to pay a fine because of Pit.
Never unbuckle your seatbelt. It's dangerous.
What's wrong with Daddy? Oh, the fine.
That's why Dad is still angry.
Pit wants to help Daddy pay.
The offender must pay a fine. Okay, Pit, let me explain this to you. Let's start our crash test. Here's what happens without a seatbelt.
The passenger isn't protected.
I'm worried about you, not about the money. Remember, the seatbelt is for your safety.
Everyone's wearing a seatbelt now.
Pit and Penny are waiting for the bus.
Oh, look! Here comes the bus now. Pit butts in front of everyone. Miss Tomato isn't very happy.
Oh. Pit, you should stay in line.
It is always best to wait your turn. There are lots of places to sit. Pit thinks they should play a game. Penny wants to play too. But you should always stay in your seat on the bus. Or you could get hurt. Thank you, Miss Tomato.
Kids, don't run in a bus. It's not safe.
Now more people are getting on the bus. That man has a broken leg.
Thank you, young man.
Well done, Pit.
Pit, someone else needs a seat.
Pit!
Whoops, I'm sorry.
Here you go, Mrs. Lettuce. Mrs. Lettuce is sleeping. Penny wants to watch some funny videos. But the noise has woken up Mrs. Lettuce.
Penny, it's too loud! You'll disturb other passengers.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Penny, just use your earphones. Ah, peace and quiet. Have a nice nap, Mrs. Lettuce. This passenger looks suspicious. Oh no! Mrs. Lettuce left her purse on the floor. Someone should stop him.
He's a thief!
Pit has saved the day.
Thank you, young man.
Well done, son.
Shh. Pit is sleeping. But Penny has something to show him. What is it, Penny? They're going on a trip tomorrow! How exciting! The suitcases are already packed. Be careful, Pit. You'll have to repack the suitcases. Which suitcase matches the umbrella?
Yellow!
Take a closer look, Penny.
Orange!
Are you sure? Good job! Pit, are you taking that truck on the trip?
Take the things you really need for the trip.
Good job, Pit. The suitcases are finally packed. There's one thing left to do.
Put the stickers on your suitcases so you can easily find them at the airport.
I wonder what's in Daddy's suitcase. Oh, Pit and Penny.
Kids, we are going on a trip.
Pit and Penny are going on vacation. Hurry up, Daddy. The airplane will leave soon. What are you going to do on the plane, Pit?
I'm gonna listen to my music for the whole flight!
This is the flight attendant, and she has an announcement.
Hello, dear passengers. Please listen to the safety rules.
Pit? Pit! Oh no, Pit's music is too loud. Why not tap him on the shoulder?
Huh?
Pit, you need to listen to the safety rules.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Pit is ready to listen.
Please fasten your seatbelts.
It is now safe for the airplane to take off. Whee! This sign means you must stay in your seat. That cloud looks like a castle.
Oh,
Penny, you've forgotten the safety rules.
Oh, Penny, you can't move right now. Look at this sign. You must stay in your seat when it's on.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Pit really needs to use the bathroom. Hold on, Pit. Okay, Pit. You can now leave your seat. But watch for others.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Pit, you can't run in the airplane. Do you understand me?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, here you go.
Time to put your seatbelts back on. Yes, Mr. Potato. That means you, too.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you, sir. Huh?
What are Pit and Penny up to now? Wake up, Mommy.
Huh? What?
They are being too loud.
Oh. Kids, be quiet.
Oops.
We're sorry.
Penny returns to her seat. And Pit buckles up his seatbelt.
There we go.
And now the flight is over. Bye, Pit and Penny and Mommy and Daddy. Have a nice trip. Pit and Penny are staying at a hotel for the first time. Don't throw your bag, Pit. And don't jump on the beds. What's wrong, Pit?
This bed will be mine.
Now the kids are having a pillow fight. Daddy isn't very happy.
Kids, don't damage the property of the hotel. Mom and I have to go out. Wait for us here.
Maybe Pit and Penny can watch some TV. Penny, the volume is too high. It woke up Mr. Potato. Someone's at the door.
Kids, no noise in the hotel.
It disturbs other guests.
Who?
Yes, we are sorry.
Now what can Pit and Penny do? Penny has an idea. Oh, now they're playing in the bath. And water is getting everywhere. Poor Miss Apple.
You are polluting my room.
What a terrible mess.
Kids, I Are you okay?
I need to remind you of the rules again.
No loud noises. Don't play on furniture. Respect others.
Remember these rules, and everything will be fine.
Yes, sorry.
Now that you know them, let's go to the restaurant.
I hope you have fun. Strawberry will clean up the mess. Pit and Penny are out driving. It's Mr. Lemon.
And I want your car colors.
He turned our cars gray!
See ya, kids.
Now our cars don't work.
I'm calling the police monster truck. Hop in, kids. We must catch the color thief.
Mr. Lemon is stealing more cars.
We need to stop him. Not if I stop you first.
The traffic light is gray. And it caused a traffic jam.
How will we get past?
Pit has an idea.
We'll go over the traffic jam.
These nails will stop them. I know what to do.
The sign is blocking the road.
We can jump over it. Oh no, it's a dead end.
We've got you now, Mr. Lemon.
Mr. Lemon is stealing the color from the police truck.
You'll never catch me now.
We can fix our truck there.
That's a great idea.
Let's add some pink. And some blue.
And finally, black.
The police truck looks amazing. Now go catch Mr. Lemon.
You again? Take this!
Right back at you, Mr. Lemon.
Where's my color?
Quick, grab the color ray gun.
I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
Then you can have your color back.
Oh, thank you.
It's time to put all the color back. Everything's better with lots of color.